it going, everybody? So I'm experimenting here like I usually do, you know, and this is actually working out really well. If they would stop getting into the syrup, that would be the best for everybody. So basically, you take a cup and you kind of pour it from a height so that it forces the air bubbles out. Because if you just pour it over, the cells are oriented in such a way that they're not going to accept feed readily, except for if you you can hear it. Kind of sounds like little mini farts. And then you do this. So I've done this to both sides now. You just can get like just a cup from home. And now, let it drip off. We have a beautiful full frame, almost, of syrup. And they will cap this within a few days. Try to get all the real big excess off. You don't want to shake it too much. You can kind of do with this, but you know, this is probably a good 2 pounds now. And this is if you don't have a feeder you can put on top. And you can watch these ladies, they'll just go crazy. I am doing this because they basically have no food left. It's been a really warm winter here in North Texas. Luckily I have all this drawn comb here. So I just did this one. We could do this one, this one, this one, this one. Because they've got brood up here, of course. It's a super I left on because they were just getting started last year. And I didn't want to have them short this year. It's February 9th. And they're pretty much starving. They have no stores at all. So they had a pollen patty. That's all that's left of it. I mean, it was big pollen patty. Now it's gone. So that's what's been fueling them. And now we're doing this. So you see here, GoPro's got 15% left. If you just dunk it, it's okay, but you can see the cells. Those are full cells, and the ones with the air on top aren't full yet. So you just basically, if you do it with like a kind of a pencil stream, you'll fill the most cells. And then you just stick it under the bucket underneath, recapture, so you're not wasting anything. Now this is extreme rapid feeding. This will get them food immediately. They don't even have to really break cluster or do anything. It'll just be right there for them. Let's see if I can save these bees real quick. I'm just tossing them in the hive. And since they are covered in Pro Health and syrup, they will be accepted. No problem. It's just doing this. And it's kind of a cloudy day, so they're not really out and about. This is probably just this hive that's coming after this. It's open. So you can see empty. And you can see those ones that are full. right here. So there you go. So I'm getting a low battery because my GoPro, even though it was plugged into my computer for days and days, apparently it drained the battery. All right, well, you get the gist. That's it. I'm just going to probably do this until there's no more syrup, get these girls fed, and that's about it. So have a good one. You know, happy beekeeping. There's always products listed that I use here, and hopefully these experiment videos help you out. Thanks a lot. This has been Extreme Rapid Feeding, beginning beekeeping in Texas.